12 divided by 3 times 4? Everyone thinks they know this one, but half of you are about to argue in the comments. Let me guess what you did. You saw multiplication and thought, multiplication comes first, so 3 times 4 is 12. Then 12 divided by 12 is 1. Your answer is 1. Or maybe you went left to right. 12 divided by 3 is 4, then 4 times 4 is 16. Only one of these is right, and it's probably not the one you picked. Here's the rule. Division and multiplication have equal priority. When they're equal, you go left to right, always, no exceptions. So 12 divided by 3 first, that's 4. Then 4 times 4 is 16. The answer is 16. The trap is thinking multiplication is more important than division. It's not, they're equals. And when equals fight, left wins. This problem starts wars on the internet. Now you know the truth. If you were Team 1, don't feel bad, smash that like button and subscribe. I'll make sure you never fall for these tricks again.